Greetings everyone, San Diego Trust and Estate Planning Attorney Kristina Hess with your 2015-2016 estate tax update. The question of the video today is, where do the 2016 presidential candidates stand on estate tax rates? As you may recall, the American Taxpayer Relief Act of 2012 set the federal estate tax credit at $5 million. This federal estate tax credit was coterminous with the lifetime gift credit and also the generation skipping transfer tax exemption. These numbers have been adjusted annually for inflation. The IRS recently announced the 2016 levels. The federal estate tax credit will increase to $5.45 million. What this means is that wealthy Americans, married couples, can leave up to $10.9 million to their heirs without being subject to estate tax, and the estate tax rate tops out at 40%. The federal gift tax exemption, or the annual exclusion, will remain the same at $14,000. What that means is you can continue to gift $14,000 to any individual every single year with no gift or estate tax consequences. These estate tax rates have remained steady since 2012, but estate attorneys such as myself are being asked by clients, what do I think the 2016 elections, how are the elections going to affect these rates? The answer, of course, is that it depends on who gets elected. The Democratic candidates, mostly through their proposals and past actions, oppose increasing the estate tax credit. Hillary Clinton has a track record of voting against federal gift tax exemptions and against repealing these quote-unquote death taxes. Bernie Sanders, on the other hand, has what he calls a reasonable estate tax proposal, which would include a $3.65 million credit with a tax over that amount topping out at 65%. The Republican field, however, wants to either increase the federal estate tax credit or repeal it altogether, leaving the issue to the states. Donald Trump, along with Jeb Bush, Rand Paul, Marco Rubio, and Mike Huckabee, all propose either eliminating the federal estate tax or allowing the states to decide. It's important to remember, however, that the president doesn't get to change the estate tax. This power lies with Congress. The Republican-controlled House this year overwhelmingly voted to repeal the estate tax, and the Senate may vote on its own repeal bill next year. The president does, however, hold the power to veto such bills or to sign them into law. No matter who wins the 2016 presidential election, and this is going to be a very important election for our country in many ways, we do expect there to be some changes in the estate tax going forward. If you have any questions about whether your estate plan is up to date or whether you have archaic language that was tied to old federal estate tax limits, please contact our office. Having your estate plan reviewed could save your loved ones hundreds of thousands of dollars in avoidable capital gains taxes. So be sure to have your plan looked at and kept up to date. This has been San Diego Trust and Estate Planning Attorney Kristina Hess with your estate tax update.